In this video, I'll be showing you how to create multiple pins on the Google Maps and add it to your Elementor website like you see here. Now, you can see this map. This is on Elementor. This website is built on Elementor. And if I click, I can scroll and enlarge. If I click on any of this, it brings out that location and I can view it on Google Maps. You can see it's redirecting to that particular area. So what do we do? How do we do this? Simply go to your Google Maps, and when Google Maps is open, come to these three dots, click on Saved, click on Maps, and then click on Create Map. Now it's going to say Create. We'll just say Create here, and it's going to redirect us. So I already have a list of locations I want to use. This is a list of locations I want to use. So I'm going to first of all copy this one, and then I'll come here, click here, and say New Map. Now before doing that, I'll click on these three dots here, and I want to rename my map, and I'll just say, let's just say New Multiple Pins, and then I'll save that, and then I'll paste the first location here, and it brings that up. I'll click on it. That's not what I want. I'll still bring it up again. And then you want to add to map. Make sure you click on add to map. I'll do the same for this. So we see it. No, here it is. I'll paste that here, and it brings that up. If you don't see that box that says add to map, make sure you do it again. You have to see it here like this, as you see it blue here. So I'm going to copy and paste. So I want to add this to map, and I'm just going to go ahead and add about 5 or 6 more. Now here's what I discovered. If you paste any link here, click on any. Now what we needed to do is that I will close this, come back, and still click on embed on my site. Embed on my site. So this is the code we'll use. Sorry about that. I'll come back here now, and I want to use this iframe. I'll paste that there, and you can now see the map with different locations. So you can see the map with different pinned locations. So if you want to get rid of this, you can simply add a section on top of here. Let's say still inside the container. Let's say spacer. I'll add this here, and then I want to make this spacer to be, let's say, 100, and then I want to give it a Z index of 999, and then I want to give it a background color of white, which is the color of the page. If I now come here and come to advanced, that's I clicked on the map, that's how I got here. I come to advanced, and I want to reduce the give it a negative margin. So you see this top section gradually disappears under the section which we give here, which is the spacer. And then you can just publish this, and then if you view this on the front end, you can see your map. You see, you can scroll in, scroll out, or you can use this button. You can use this button here, and you can also use these controls to pull it to the left or to the right, up or down. You can increase, you can reduce. So in a nutshell, that is how to add a Google map with multiple pin locations on your Elementor website. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you have any comment, please post it down, and I'll answer as soon as I can. God bless you. Peace.